Hi there. In today's video, we're going to see how you can start a channel and drive it towards success on YouTube. Know your goals. It is important that you find out what kind of goal you need. Whether it is achieving a certain number of subscribers or views. The success of your channel depends on your goal. While it may be true that success on YouTube might depend on luck, but still, with proper planning, you too can reach your goal, or even become YouTube famous. First, you need to create a channel if you already don't have one. Your channel should consist of a unique channel name, as there is a high competition among YouTubers. You can design a profile pic and banner relevant to your channel with all the necessary details. Also, make sure that you enter all your necessary details about your channel, explaining them, so your viewers can get to know more about your channel. When starting a channel, you must keep in mind that you should stick to a certain content area and its audience. It is very crucial that you figure out under which genre your videos belong. By sticking to a certain content area, you can improve based on a target audience. As your channel is going to consist of a certain content area, it is a must that you remove any irrelevant dissonant videos from your channel. Failing to do so, and you may end up losing your precious subs. The important lesson you should get out of this is, you should have a niche and you must stick to it. Now let us look at a pro tip, before moving on to the next factor. Making people subscribe to your channel through links. Go to your channel, and copy the URL. It is Ctrl+C on Windows and Command+C on Mac devices. Next, paste the URL where you want it to be shown. It is Ctrl+V on Windows and Command+V on Mac devices. Before you post it, make sure that you remove the viewer's subscriber, and replace it with sub confirmation equals 1 in place of that. When you do this, the person clicking on the link will be directed directly to a prompt, asking them whether they want to subscribe or not. Who would say no to a prompt like that? Creating videos. It is a must that you make your videos sticking to your content area and audience. Your videos must be engaging enough for your audience. And while it is engaging enough, you must also make your videos lengthy enough, so that you can increase your watch time. According to YouTube's algorithm, your click-through rate and watch time are considered the main factors to recommend them. You can use the YouTube analytics available in your YouTube Studio to analyze your videos, and make changes depending on how well your video performs. You can also use end screen elements to even promote more of your channel's content. Consistency is key. Uploading and optimizing. You need to upload your videos at the right time and with a proper schedule. For example, you can say that you'll upload videos 2 to 3 times per week. This way your viewers can be prepared to view your videos when you drop it. Also, you need to be consistent when doing this. You can use specific keywords to your videos, to improve your clickbait. You can use the keyword tool or even search it on the web. The thumbnails you add to your videos too are important, you can't neglect it. The better your thumbnail looks and stands out, the more the people who click it. Every click you get is important on YouTube. You should also fill out your video description, with all the details relevant to the specific video. You can add tags relevant to your videos, but its effect on your videos is less compared to the previous factors. You can also divide your videos into playlists, so it'll be easier for your viewers. Interact with your community. You can interact with your community when they comment on your videos. You can take into consideration the suggestions provided by them. You can also interact with other YouTubers by commenting on their videos, and you can also make videos partnering with them. While you do this, you should speak positively on others' videos and be respectful towards everyone on YouTube. It will be beneficial to you if you have many links with social medias based on your channel, and you can create a wide audience and make sure they stay updated. Now let's look at an extra information which will be beneficial to you. You can link your channel with a service called Patreon. It allows subscribers to pay a small monthly donation to you. This is a great way to begin making money on YouTube before you reach monetization. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Hope this video helps you on your YouTube journey. I'll join you soon on another video. Until then, stay tuned.